Shoot. All right, we got a problem. I said, hey, yo. It's your boy Tulu back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? Let me hear it. That's what's up, man. Hey, if you going through something right now, just know you're probably not the only one going through something. And man, within 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, about to be here in a few more months. So man, you can definitely be in a better situation. So just chin up, man. Keep on trucking. Hey, and every time I say this, man, it's duly noted because goes towards me as well, man. Everything ain't perfect. Everybody not perfect. But hey, if somebody besides you getting their blessing right now and they going up, don't hate on it. Just wait on it. Don't hate on it. Just wait on it. Your time will be coming. Whew. Well, man, as y'all see, your boy is already been out here working. If you don't know, this is pretty much a continuation of my last video, getting the seat belts installed. Yeah, I still haven't adjusted them yet, cause I just jumped right into this video. So as y'all see, what we about to start doing, we about to go ahead and get this dash in here. We got everything that we pretty much need. This is for the passenger side over yonder. You know what I'm saying? For us to go ahead, boop, throw her up, get this set up, and then, man, throw this dash in this thing, man. So let's go ahead and get started. Trying to make it a short video. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Hey, if this is your first time watching over here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel. Man, I'm telling y'all, we got some lit stuff. The channel is going up. You should be a part of this community, man. I think we got the dopest little community out here, you know what I'm saying? I was about to say some people. But, man, stay locked in, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell, man, so you'll know anytime when I drop a video, go live, or even a short. Appreciate y'all, G. Let's get to work. Bow. All right, man. So, dang, that glare is horrible. Dang. I'm gonna have to put my hand over it like that. All right, so y'all see we got that in. All you had to do was pretty much slide the little sleeve across there. So shoot, that was pretty simple. But now I'm kind of debating whether or not if I should have attached this to the dash, because it's gonna be hard to try to bolt something in from behind right here to pretty much secure that thing. But we gonna see. It won't be a hard part to take back off. But man, let's see about getting this dash outside. I do need to go ahead and drop that steering wheel. We might move back over in the shade because under the carport, just so I won't have to move it or whatever when I get that steering wheel down, and if I don't be able to finish up right now. But we're getting to it. Let's go. So one of the first things we need to do is to get this steering wheel dropped. It's pretty much 2 bolts right there on either side. Yep, right there on either side. They should be loose enough because I didn't tighten them all the way back up. But man, dang, this glare is killing me over here. But all right, y'all, let's go ahead. Let me set y'all up, and man, let's get to work. All right, so as y'all see, simple as that. Got this down. Now, like I said, y'all, it's my first time ever doing anything like this, man. So first, I think what I'm gonna do is get this stuff set back up here. And then we're gonna mount that other black piece on there. I'll show y'all in just a second here. And then we'll put the dash in here. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we got everything outside. Dang, my shadow's all in the way. Got everything outside, and I do know that I need to put some, this is the black piece that I was talking about, but I noticed that it fits on the outside of the dash, not on the inside, so the dash is actually going to go in first, you know, and then that piece last, and then of course the trim piece like the wood grain right here. But we also got this right here that I know we need to install from the rear of the dash, from the inside. So we're going to go ahead and install this first. I'm not sure if screws or bolts came out of here. I definitely got some new little bolt kit, if y'all remember in the other video that I showed. But we're gonna go ahead and flip this thing over. I'm gonna see what I need to put on the back of this thing before we actually put it in the car. I'm also gonna check out that back vent as well to see if I actually need to mount it on this side of the dash first before it's actually installed in there, because it's probably better install it from on the dash and then be able to put that little coupling on there than for to try to screw some bolts on from underneath there. So we're gonna try to make things easy. I feel like I'm rambling right now, but I'm trying to give y'all all the information and detail that I can. Hey, let's get to work. Got our little bolt kit. Let's get to work. All right, y'all, so we got the dash flipped over. Looks like this is pretty much gonna go in there like such. I don't know if this is gonna bolt down to here. I see. I'm trying to look as well. And does this go on the outside? Is that, I don't think that back piece go, hold on, maybe it does. Maybe it does go like this. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. We learning something, y'all. We learning something. So that back with the radio heater mounting piece, not sure if y'all see what I just did, but like instead of it just sitting down in there like this, hope y'all can see and realize what I'm talking about. You slide that back piece out on this side. Well, get it back in position, and then boom, it sits down in there. Looks like, I guess we are gonna use these bolts for it or screws. I'm gonna see which one's gonna work for it. And I guess we gotta get it lined up. Yeah, lined up right there. All right, that's in there. So what I was looking at, like I was telling y'all about this back vent right here, it looks kind of nasty right there. No, I guess that's protection for like heat or something. All right, so excuse me. Let's pull this other piece right back off. Which that, see that, like I said, that should be simple to put back on. Like that. Oh, she needs a bath, y'all. She needs another bath. All right, so it was going over, and what I'm looking at is right here. Y'all see them 2, 3 mountain spots? I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. I don't know it. Like I said, it's my first time, bro. So boom, I think you throw the bolts in there like that, and then we can just hook this up from under there. I'd rather deal with this part than doing this from when the dash already's on the car. All right, man. We getting to it. Let's go. Set y'all up. Throw some bolts in this thing. Get it in the car. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we got them pieces on there secured. I think that's in the best location right there, and got our other little piece. I'm just looking back here, man. Like I said, this is my first time. Then I'm seeing these other little like mount parts right there. Not sure what would go in front of that, like the heater box that would mount to that. Hopefully that's not nothing. But the other thing I was looking at was this piece here, that goes on pretty much like this. And I was trying to make sure that in the car I don't have to, there's not a place where I gotta put a bolt here through here with, you know, out putting that on first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave that off for now. It's gonna probably suck trying to put those little things on the back to get it to stay in, but I'm gonna just play it safe. All right, man. So I guess let's try to get this thing in the car. Sheesh. Yes, sir, man. All right, y'all. Y'all see, we got that thing up in there. It's all the way to the front. I mean, I just got to pull that, you know, in. Dash is in, baby. So we going to go here. We're going to throw them bolts up in there. The top, on the bottom. Get this thing secured. Hey, and then we'll start messing with this thing here. Let's go. Boom, y'all. We got all the bolts along the top, all the way across. Let's knock out these bolts. Now I did look in here, like I was saying, I don't see, you know, where I put a screw back through here or anywhere through any of the vents. I do know I got these two bottom ones, and then I think I got another one somewhere else, but we're gonna find them, man. Let's get to it. Oh man. Shoot. All right, we got a problem. So I won't be able to get to that boat because this kick panel is in the way for me to screw it up. Sheesh. Guess we're gonna have to pop this kick panel up out the way, man. I guess let's go ahead and get the driver's side one on while we doing that, and you know, hey, let's go. All right, man, and while I'm over here, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my brake release back here so I won't forget it. Need to hit that, hook up to that cable. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see. Adjust. All right, so yeah, it just slides in like such. Oh, push it in some more. All right. Dang, focus, Kim. You tripping today. All right, we got that in there. Got the bolt under there. Now, dang, man, I don't feel like popping that panel off. And that chrome is right there too. Hey, let's get to it, man. Sheesh. Hey, y'all see we got that done, man. The dash is... I know there's probably some other mounting points that I am gonna make sure and ensure that we got this thing in right. Hey, we out here grinding though. So next thing is to go ahead and tackle this dash, man. But appreciate y'all for checking out the video. Y'all see we out here grinding, man. We out here grinding. Hey, until next time, y'all should probably get this video on Thanksgiving. So, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all around eating with family, hanging out, enjoying your time. And if you by yourself, enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying? But until next time, man, happy Thanksgiving. Hey, hit the like on your way out. I know y'all about half sleepy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, have fun and enjoy y'all day, enjoy y'all week, enjoy y'all weekend. Hey, we going up, baby. Tulu TV checking out. Wow.